Hey y'all, hope y'all having a blessed day. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope y'all had a great weekend last week, and the week before, and the week before, and the week before. Hope y'all having a blessed day. And I'm just chilling right now at this Fuzzy's Pizza, trying another location. So let's see how that go. I'll be back in a few. Who's playing? Let's see who's playing, because I have no idea. I see a green team and a white team. There's some nice stuff in here though. Ooh, I'm hungry. Ooh, I'm hungry. Ooh, I'm hungry. Ooh, I'm starving. Y'all ready to see the pizza? It's ready. It's right here. I'm gonna show y'all how it looks. Ooh, it looks bomb. Gonna get that piece right there. Come to mama. Ooh, look at all that cheese. Dang, y'all trying to give me the runs. All right, y'all. There's a lot of cheese. Look at this. Look at this. Dang, y'all. Right, look, y'all. Got the ricotta cheese on it. Y'all want some pizza too? Damn.
I saved so much. Just text me. Well, I'm hang up. It's a ghost.
For fun lemonade easy, go to geico.com.
It's called self-care.
Undefeated, feel mistreated. I'm so happy.
I'm trying to get me sick. Y'all comment down below what y'all eating for dinner. This is so good. The crust is even good. Next time I'm gonna try the Chicago pizza. This is so good. Wow. Oh yeah, I forgot to tell y'all I had the meatball pizza. I added some pepperoni, and I just wanted cheese and meatballs. But I'll catch y'all later. I hope y'all continue to be blessed and have a good night and sleep well. I'll talk to y'all soon. Bye. I done ate half this pizza already. I think I'm gonna get one more slice and I'm gonna put the rest up. Y'all don't judge me. This is so sad. I had to get a to-go box because I only ate 2 pieces. I can't eat like that. Guess I have leftovers. Get all this. Jeez Louise, let me put it in here perfect and make some room. Okay, and can you get the whole thing? Let's see. See if I can be a pro. Ooh, I don't think that's gonna work. Never mind. There you go. Whoop. Whoop. I should toss it like they be doing. Hey, don't judge me, y'all. It ain't gonna be in here neat. So look how that look. That ain't in there neat. I'm just putting it in there. Okay, now I can grab these two. There we go. Barely. Hope it don't fall. Ah. All right, we made it. One little meatball left. We gotta eat that.